This is an upgraded door lock. It works for the striker or the deadbolt. This one particularly doesn't work on the deadbolt. It gets jammed in there. So when I put it in, it sticks like this. It just jams. So I'll use the striker. Put it in the striker. It's flat. I'm gonna close it. One hand kind of gimmick. All right, so I'll close it. It's in. All you gotta do is take this lever pin and put it in the heart. It flips around, one of the hearts. Put it in and drop it down in place, and it won't open.